Hello folks, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own little thumb throttle, and it's super easy and simple with something that you may already even have sitting around at home. So a couple of tools you're going to need is just like a little file, and you can just use like a fingernail file or even like some sandpaper. And then you're also going to need some kind of little cutters. I just use regular old wire cutters. So all I'm really using for this is just a little zip tie, and you can just use one of these smaller ones. You can see in this video if you want to make yourself a nice little stealthy one with just a tiny zip tie, it works perfectly good. And then I'll also show you just now on the Lectric XP how I use one of these bigger zip ties and make a little bit fatter of a thumb throttle. There's a couple little tricks to making this thing right, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So to do this is really simple. Just go ahead and grab your zip tie, and then you're going to want to come around, and you want it so that you're putting the zip tie through from the top through the bottom, just like that. And the reason we go top through the bottom is that we're going to cut this end off here, and it can be a little sharp, but that's also what we're going to use our file for, is to file this down. Because if you just kind of slip it on and cut it, this little end that's on the end here is really sharp, and you don't want that to hit your thumb. And if you flip this around and you have it coming up through, then your thumb will be actually pressing on the sharp part, which we don't want that either. So just go ahead and slip it through, and then we're just gonna pull this up nice and tight and snug. And you can actually hold the throttle and kind of reposition where you want this thumb piece to go. So once it's on there pretty good. Then just grab some kind of cutters and just snip the end of it here, and then you got a nice little thumb throttle. But what I recommend is this little piece that's down here. You can see that kind of sharp piece sticking out. Just go ahead and file this down, and you can use a regular file or even just like a fingernail file, and just kind of keep filing this little end piece down till it's not sharp anymore. And you just kind of go around it. Till there's no more little sharp edges. And just like that, you've made yourself a nice little thumb throttle for just pennies. It's really easy to do, and it can help if you're having issues trying to twist this. Just put this little zip tie in here, place it in the direction that you like so that it's easiest to get with your thumb, and you're all good to go. So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Always appreciate that. And I also have this video right up here about this cool Wi-Fi timer that I use for my e-bike charger, so I can just set the timer and then they just turn off all on their own. I've been using it for a while now and really like it. See you guys on the next one.